Ooh, look, a yummy burger. Yoink. Kabloosh! What's going on? Hey, what's this thing?
Skablamo! Prepare for invasion, people of Earth. Now, time to take over the planet. Oh wait, I forgot. It's just a scout mission. Oh well, up and away. Ting!
Oh man, my head's hurting. Wonder what's going on. Ooh. Ew, must have been a bad burger. I was seriously tripping balls. Wait. Huh? Oh no, that was an LSD burger. Do not be alarmed, human. I am a peaceful being. Might as well wait it out. I can sense your disbelief. Be sure that I'm very much real. Okay, bud. Now allow me to regale you with a tale called The Legend of Big Mac. Bulgaria used to be a peaceful planet. It was a prosperous land. Then came the It-Aliens, led by General Ziti and evil Lord Fettuccine. They instituted the complete and utter takeover of Bulgaria. It was gruesome. So, the Bulgarian leaders came up with a plan. They sent Lone Burger away to fuse with a suitable champion to wield the power of Big Mac. And you are that chosen hero. So what, does that make me some kind of